I'm really, really excited for this one. So we could get a shark, a whale shark, a wolf, a rabbit, a bear, or a panda. I got this one because I'm obsessed with plushie blind boxes. And good luck to me to open this. Okay. I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay. I want to get the wolf or the shark or the bear or even the rabbit. Let's see what I get. The box is really cute. It's got like little purple, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's really cute. Ooh, this one's like fancy because it was like $50. Oh, I already saw what I got. Are you guys ready? So cute. And so, oh, wow. The eyes are glittery and the little feet. Oh my god, so special. Really, really cute. Holy crap. And you get a card, rabbit. Rabbits are lucky. And a key ring. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so adorable. I might have to go back tomorrow and get another one now. Okay. Bye.